The first unpackaging, unboxing, how I'm gonna do is the pearlish 9-piece. And I have the Euro Deep 20-inch natural. And when y'all see this pink package, just know it's pearlish all day long. And it has 1 piece 9-inch weft, 2 pieces 7-inch weft, 5-inch weft, 4 pieces 3-inch 2 pieces. And I love that they have this label so I can know where everything goes. But with the 9-inch 1 piece, just gonna start off at the back. I do have a tutorial on how I install my clip-ins. I hadn't done no clip-ins in a minute. Now I need to try these human hair. Should be virgin Remy hair. Let me see. Yeah, 100% virgin Remy hair. And this is it. And this would be a cute style since it's 1 pack. If you want to do like a cute little braid down and clip in, give you some really cute deep waves in the back, side braids. Y'all know how y'all be doing it. This is it. Y'all know I like full hair, so we gonna see with this 1 pack, it's gonna be enough. This is all the hair. This is the natural color. And it looks to be more of a color too, perhaps. Because it has like this nice little dark brown tint on it. I gotta get this little net off, but this is what it looks like. And I would consider my hair to be a 1B. But I do love this color brown. I do wear it occasionally. So this is it. Okay, ladies, I am back with the finished final result of the pearlish Euro Deep 20-inch natural. I put some mousse on there. I used this Red by Kiss mousse. Added some water. I did my edges first. I had to slick that down because I didn't want to do too much heat and curling and all the other stuff on my natural tresses, but this is what I got. And the natural color is blending in well with my all black hair, as you can see. And this hair is 1 pack only. That's all I used. And I just separated the curls some like that, just pull it, you know, to give it a little volume and fluff. I had to start a little bit halfway on my head when I was laying these tracks to make sure everything was covered, but I do love this pattern. I had to start right here and then lay the tracks. Okay, the natural black color is the color that it says we do not recommend bleaching or dyeing. It will not achieve desired dyeing results. So this is the natural color. You should be able to bleach this, but I'm not gonna bleach it for what this color is. Stunning. Euro deep texture. She really hit. Look at that curl, y'all. Look at that curl. And I'm loving it because this hair texture looks like you could be mine. But you just gotta blend it in to match. And yeah, you good. So I'm gonna give these clip-ins an 8 out of 10. Really loving how the way this one looks in a ponytail. This is one style I could do as well. I might just do it when I get off of here. This ponytail, it looks really natural. Yeah. But I would recommend this clip-in hair if you love natural hair, because everybody don't like density like I do, and I do realize that. I've seen some pearlish closures. It was like a 4x5, 12, 14 inches, and I would love to slap a pearlish closure on this bad boy. And then just do the clip-ins. But yeah, you can get closures. They do have the deep, Euro deep. I've seen her out before. She is out. The texture clip-ins, 100% human hair, 9-piece. 1A Clique, 18-inch. I want to try this because it's kinky-ish texture. It says 1A and I'm a 4C. We don't see, girl, we don't see. The clip-ins on here, they didn't have that like 9-inch, 7-inch, and all the other stuff that these clip-ins had. So I was looking at it, I'm like, where's the rest of the hair? Now let's take it out and see.
I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
This hair is so soft, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is soft. This is real soft. Is this a natural? Yeah, another natural. So we're gonna compare the pearlish to the curlskinkandco natural. Does it look like the same color, y'all? I don't see no inch on here. We're gonna see. So this is the curlskinkandco 18-inch 1A Clique. I always keep this in the vault, my little halo braid that I use for some braided hair. I want to say this is a color 2. I'm not sure, but it's been a minute. But I just braid the braiding hair up and just wrap it around and tuck it. That's what I had to do. This is a kinky blowout-ish style type of hair, and this is the hair pull to the front. This is the hair. The hair is very low density. If you're a girl that needs some extra length to your hair, I would highly recommend this. This would probably be my thing if I had like a fresh relaxer. And I used all but this 3-inch weft. I didn't know where to put this weft, but I put it up, all the hair to the back. This is a very cute, affordable style that I did. This is human hair, by the way. I could curl it to get it to be a little bit thicker, but I want to just leave it straight for now and see how it looks. I just bumped the ends a little bit. You really can't tell. I just bumped them ends, and this is what I got. The braid matches perfectly with this hair. I would give it a 7 out of 10. I feel that it needs to be a little bit more thicker for me, just a little bit more hair on the wefts. This style is really, really nice. Yeah. Cute little summertime vibe going on if you just didn't want all that big curly hair like I like. And it's always a beauty, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.